Hi, I'm Belle from Gardening Express, and this is a quick guide to picking plants for your garden. So you want to think about the look that you want for your garden as well as the function that you want the plants to serve. So for example, if you're picking plants for privacy or for shade, that's going to be completely different for if you're picking plants to attract pollinators into your garden. You want to think about the balance between looks and functionality. There are a few different factors to consider before choosing your plants. Firstly, your soil type and quality will determine which plants will grow best in your garden. For example, if you've got more acidic soil, you'll want more ericaceous plants. The next factor is sunlight. Some plants will thrive in full sun and some will absolutely hate it. So make note of how much light you get throughout the day and research what plants will do well with that amount of light. Once you know your garden's environmental conditions, you can start to look at the different types of plants. Annuals have a 1-year life cycle, so need to be replaced every year, but perennials last for many years, so which you choose depends on how much you want to switch up that area. Shrubs and trees are great for structuring your garden, but if they're young, they can take some time to establish. Vegetables and herbs are great options and can give you free food over time. Bulbs can give you a lot of spring and summer colour. Lastly, vines can add a nice amount of greenery to walls and trellises and change up the structure of your garden. So you'll also need to have a look at the texture and drainage of your soil. You need to know if you have more chalk, clay or sand to know how well certain plants are going to do in that soil. For any more information about plants and gardening, check out the videos and articles on our website. Thank you for watching and enjoy your garden.